Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change phone number on Gmail. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course then go to the top right corner and click on Gmail. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change phone number on Gmail. So first of all, open your Google account settings and then go to personal information. You can also of course go into it here. As you can see, you have CL settings and then go of course to your personal account things and of course setups. Then under contact information, select phone number, click edit next to your current number and update it. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new phone number. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. Yes guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.